Imagine a village where two children appeared out of nowhere. This is the story of the children of Woolpit. In the quaint village of Woolpit, nestled amidst the rolling hills, an unusual event unfolded that would forever mark its history. Two young children, as green as fresh spring leaves, appeared as if conjured by some unseen force. Their clothes, unlike any seen before, hinted at a foreign origin. Their language, a symphony of unknown sounds, added another layer to their mystery. The villagers, at first startled, soon extended a hand of kindness. Fear and confusion gave way to curiosity and compassion. The children spun tales of a green-hued land where the sun remained hidden, leaving the villagers in awe. Their peculiarities, once a source of fear, became threads weaving them into the fabric of Woolpit. The villagers named them the Children of Woolpit. Their mysterious origin became a beloved part of Woolpit's folklore. As the children grew, they adapted to their new life in Woolpit. Their transformation was nothing short of remarkable. The children, once strangers, now spoke the village's language with ease, their tongues rolling over the familiar rhythms and tones. They learned the villagers' customs, their ways of life, and soon they were no longer outsiders, but part of the community. The children spoke of their homeland, a green-hued land where the sun never shone. Their stories were as captivating as they were strange. The villagers hung on to their every word, their minds filled with images of this mystical place. It was as if a curtain had been lifted, revealing a world beyond their own. But this tale of adaptation and integration took a tragic turn. One day the children fell ill. A sickness, cruel and relentless, swept through their young bodies. The villagers watched helplessly as the children's vitality faded away, their once bright eyes dimming. The boy left them first, his soul departing for that green-hued land he so often spoke of. The girl, not long after, followed her brother into the eternal unknown. The villagers mourned their loss, and their memory lived on as a cautionary tale of the dangers of the unknown. Their tale, filled with mystery and sorrow, served as a stark reminder of the fragility of life and the ever-present shadow of the unexplored. It was a story that would echo through the generations, a testament to the enduring spirit of the children of Woolpit. The children's story became a legend, passed down from generation to generation. The tale of the green-hued children of Woolpit quickly spread beyond the confines of the village, capturing the imaginations of people near and far. The story of these mysterious children, appearing as if out of thin air, speaking a language unknown, and recounting tales of a sunless green-hued land, sparked fascination and intrigue. This legend, so rooted in mystery, has given birth to various interpretations. Some see the children as lost travelers from a distant land, while others lean towards the supernatural, considering them beings from another realm. Yet regardless of the differing viewpoints, the children of Woolpit have undeniably etched themselves into the consciousness of many. Their story has served as a wellspring of inspiration across diverse artistic domains. From literature to music, from painting to sculpture, the enigmatic children of Woolpit have found their way into countless creative expressions. Their tale has transcended the barriers of time and space, evolving, adapting, and continuing to resonate through the ages. Beyond its influence on the arts, the legend of the children of Woolpit has also kindled a profound interest in the study of folklore and mythology. Researchers and scholars have delved deep into this tale, seeking to unravel the threads of its origin and meaning. Some propose that the children's strange appearance and behavior could be tied to a rare genetic condition. Others perceive it as a metaphorical narrative, encapsulating the clash of cultures and the challenges inherent in integration. Regardless of the interpretation, the story of the children of Woolpit remains a powerful and enduring part of the village's cultural heritage. It is a testament to the human spirit's adaptability, a reminder of the kindness and hospitality extended to the unknown, and a symbol of the tantalizing allure of the unexplored. It continues to inspire people all over the world, reminding us of the power of storytelling and the importance of understanding and embracing the unknown. And so the legend endures, its essence undiminished, its impact unfading, and its allure ever captivating.